Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching our channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So welcome to our kitchen once more, where we are going to be making a very simple egg recipe. It is a version of an egg omelette, but with a few other things added. So some of the things you can see there, the ingredients, we have chili, we have garlic cloves, the usual onions, and the other key ingredient is tuna. So this is going to be an egg and tuna omelette, and it will also have cheese, so we call it a cheesy egg tuna omelette. Okay, so sorry, and the usual spices, try and keep it simple as possible. We have some chili there, we have some turmeric there, and we have some salt. We are going to put a little bit of garam masala in as well. Okay, we're going to prepare the mixture. So first of all, the eggs. Okay, always a good idea to whisk that first before adding the other ingredients. Nazreen, aaj hoga ji ek egg or cheese omelette, sorry, with tuna. Just adding the tomatoes and the onions into that. Give that a good mix. Okay, and can we add the tuna as well, please? Okay, very good for your tuna. So this was something that a friend of mine used to make at university every time I went to his bed sit. And the next thing is garlic and the chilies that we're going to add. Okay, so we've got 3 cloves here. So we had 3 eggs, obviously, as per portion required. Okay, that's mixing nicely. So the masalas as per taste. So we've got a little bit of chili going in there. We have some turmeric, haldi going in there. And there's a garam masala. And a little bit of salt. So everything as per taste. Okay, give that a good mix, please. Okay, our mixture is ready to go into the pan. Can we put that in the pan, please? So we've already heated the oil. All of that goes into the pan and spread it out. Okay, make it nice and flat, because we are going to try and flip and cook the other side, or I should say we need to cook both sides. Okay, can we turn the heat up a little bit? And we're going to cook this now for around about 10 minutes, viewers. Okay, well, I should say turn up the heat for, let's say, a minute or so, and then turn it down. Okay, viewers, as I say, that's been on a high heat for 2 minutes or so. We're going to turn the heat down now, and then cover it so that it cooks really well for around about 7 more minutes. Okay, so as you can see, viewers, that's cooked really nicely. So we're going to try and flip that over. Okay, I think we are better doing it over the sink. So we shall flip that over and show you. As you can see, viewers, I have managed to flip that over. So now we're going to cook the other side for a short while. There we go. Okay, that's cooking nicely, viewers. We're going to cook it for a minute or so. Okay, we think that's cooked really nicely. It just remains to do the final touches. We're going to add a layer of cheese. Okay, and then we're going to let that melt. It should melt again in about 2 minutes. You can put other toppings on as well, but we're going to leave it at that. Okay, just cover that up, and we're going to heat that for about 2 more minutes so that it melts, and that will be our finished product. Okay, that is our final product, viewers. We're going to try and put that into the plate and show you the serving. Okay, that's our final product there, viewers. So we are going to cut it into four pieces for 4 people who will eat that. And I'm going to be the first one. So I'm going to get myself a spoon. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, viewers, that is cooked really nicely. And there we go. That is our cheesy tuna and egg omelette. I assure you, that is lovely. Okay, viewers, once again, thank you for watching. I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please share our videos. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.